Have you ever wished you could keep your personal and professional life separate? Or maybe you're a small business owner looking for a cost-effective way to provide a dedicated phone number for your customers. Well, Ooma might have the solution for you. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Ooma's second phone number service and answer the burning question. How much does it actually cost? Before we get into the pricing details, let's talk a bit about what Ooma is and what it offers. Ooma is a popular VoIP voice-over internet protocol provider that offers a range of services, including home phone plans, business phone systems, and, of course, second phone numbers. Essentially, Ooma allows you to use your internet connection to make and receive phone calls, bypassing traditional landline networks. Ooma second phone number features. Choose your number. Ooma gives you the flexibility to choose a phone number from a variety of area codes and prefixes. This is especially useful for businesses that want to establish a local presence in a specific region. Customizable features. You can customize your Ooma second phone number with features like call forwarding, voicemail, caller ID, and more. These features can be tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Integration with other services. Ooma integrates seamlessly with other popular services like Google Voice and Skype, allowing you to manage your calls and messages from a single platform. Pricing breakdown. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How much does Ooma charge for a second phone number? While Ooma's pricing can vary depending on your specific needs and location, here's a general breakdown of what you can expect. Standalone second phone number. If you're looking for a standalone second phone number without any additional features, Ooma typically offers a monthly subscription fee. This fee can vary, but it's generally quite affordable compared to traditional landline services. Bundled with other services. Ooma often offers bundled packages that include a second phone number along with other services like home phone plans or business phone systems. These bundled packages can provide significant cost savings. Additional features. Keep in mind that if you want to add extra features like call forwarding or voicemail to your second phone number, there may be additional charges. However, these charges are usually nominal. Factors affecting pricing. Several factors can influence the final cost of your Ooma second phone number. Location. Pricing may vary depending on your geographic location. Bundle deals. If you choose a bundled package, you can often get a discounted rate for your second phone number. Features. The number and type of features you add to your second phone number will also affect the cost. Promotional offers. Ooma may offer promotional deals or discounts from time to time. Is Ooma's second phone number worth it? Ultimately, whether or not Ooma's second phone number service is worth the cost depends on your individual needs and circumstances. If you're looking for a flexible, affordable, and feature-rich second phone number, Ooma can be a great option. However, it's important to carefully consider your specific requirements and budget before making a decision. In conclusion, Ooma offers a competitive and affordable second phone number service that can be a valuable asset for both individuals and businesses. By understanding the factors that affect pricing and carefully evaluating your needs, you can determine if Ooma is the right choice for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.